Good day, this is Alex from Internet of Secret, right? So in this review videos, we have this new product to be launched tonight, 11 EXT. It's called MailerLink, right? So MailerLink is coming from this guy called Branson, okay? He's one of the internet marketer who have been launching a lot of product recently, okay. So here I have done a review of this MailerLink, right? So you click the link below my video, it actually brings you to my review page, right? So again, you click any of this buy button inside my review page, it bring you to this sales page of the MailerLink. Okay, so look at the MailerLink, the sales page say press send, mail blast any link for free buyer traffic in just 20 seconds. One mail blast equal to earn 412. Okay, this is based on some of the email. If you send one email, it will actually get you a few hundred commission right out of the product you promote. Right. This is some of the testimonial earning proof I have put together inside this page, and there are only two steps here. First is to buy the copy of the mailer and send to mail plus any link, website or funnel for unlimited free buyer traffic. Right? Feel free to go through every single detail of this sales page, but I want to quickly show to you here. Right? If you purchase a MailerLink below, the link below this video, what other bonuses you're going to get from me, right? So basically, MailerLink is front end is $17 only. Okay, Benson Tay is a person who created this, right? And it's a cloud app that actually is tap into the 4.1 million email user. What basically this is an app that can actually find you a list of the buyer email. Okay, you can actually search for the email and you can actually download the email list, and they also have the built-in autoresponder come together. You can load the list into the so-called the autoresponder and start. Also there's a page builder. You can build your funnel, your page, your lead magnet, your opt-in page, everything come together, so you can then integrate the page with the affiliate link, right? And then you can start blasting to the list you have just extracted from the search, right? And you can start making sales and money from the mail blast. So everything is built in together, right? Even this you can the way how you can extract the list based on the keyword on this, right? And you can actually build a list inside this app, and also have this autoresponder that come together. You can actually send an email to the list you have just built, right? Okay, that's basically the idea behind this whole app, and also as I said, I'll be putting a demo video here later also, and the front end is only $17, right? And there's a 6 upgrade here, right? 47, 197, 97, and 167, right? So basically 17 is come with all the feature I have just mentioned, right? And OTOs is unlock the limitation that you can have limit all the limit and unlimited mailing list for traffic campaigns and free buyer traffic, things like that. And then from you, 197 is hand fee income, but we do all the work for you, right? Okay, this is a line from you, right? Okay, so again, this monetization, this is the traffic you generate, we mailing into traffic, right? And how we can actually monetize using the list you have just generated. Okay, and learn from you campaigns, funnel, email shop, and offer proven to convert. Okay, limitless traffic 167, right? This is a personal Raymond source of water traffic for unlimited sales and commission, right? I have a franchise partner. This is a more like reseller, and this is the missing piece, right? And this is my mailers. Okay, some of the secret method put together here also, and this money back guarantee also come together. And you purchase a MailerLink this using from the link below this video. I'm going to give you a lot of fantastic bonuses, right? You're going to get my first special bonus if you buy any order upgrade there. Okay, one order upgrade I feel I can be useful to you could be this unlimited. You can unlock the unlimited online from you, right? Okay, this is only $47. So with the extra $47, if you buy front end and OTO, you're going to get my Learn for You money list. Learn for You money list is again, it's going to complement one MailerLink. It's going to easy on you. Go and search MailerLink, right? Because MailerLinks you can do search, but the process it could be quite tedious because we have to search for the keyword and have to download and upload, right? But how if you get my Learn for You money list? I'm giving you my ready-made list of the subscriber in the Make Money Online list. So you just take the list and now upload to the autoresponder and you can start sending them the email from day one. This Make Money Online. This is the hottest niche, right? So you don't have to build your list from the scratch, right? Okay, right? So this is this itself is cost 197, right? So I'm giving you this for free, right? So this also so if you just want to buy the front end, you're also going to get a lot of bonuses from me, tutorial how to make money with MailerLink, right? Also free traffic method, right? So you're going to get more traffic method, free traffic method here, right? And also paid underground traffic sources, right? And we have this the best TikTok traffic app, and also the best Instagram traffic app, the best Twitter traffic app. I've been also put together as a bonuses. Social media marketing tool is a cloud app, right? How we can actually do a posting, schedule a post, and we have this videos giveaway, right? 250 videos promoting your blog and site, giveaway for engagement, etc. And all this videos, right? And audio visual reseller like include also, right? If you want to create your own audio track as part of your this video, then this is the tools for you. I saw this come with a reseller like some more, right? Okay, exclusive list building training with 100 free solo app, right? Okay, right? This is going to get 100 free solo app by the end of the training. And YouTube Hack 2021 YouTube channel SEO. This is a trick I've been used to actually to promote my own YouTube channel and doing my YouTube video. And high ticket system, how to make high ticket commission by selling a high ticket product. Super affiliate software funnel, you're getting another funnel for me, right? Out of this MailerLink is provided you with this seller like some more. There are one of our three of our best affiliate software you can actually resell it, right? Also, 50 SEO tool on the cloud app. This is another very powerful tools, right? And product launch attack, how to get the best of the product launch. The JV email search, this is talking about how you can actually boost your email conversion, right? Okay. Again, so you're getting another funnel kit builder. Is a like click funnel, right? And getting another funnel builder here, right? With VidSpark video creation app also. Other traffic cloud app, and I have this also SnapiShop affiliate store builder. Okay, and also training how to make money without you selling anything. 100 giveaways, build a list using 100 giveaway. This is my super bonus bundle. Then you're going to get this bonus bundle with the video, ebook, software, template, everything, and vendors bonuses. Okay, then we have this 10 more exclusive bonuses here. Right, YouTube view case study, and also how to find or close your high-paying clients with wallet traffic, secret exposure, and dominate YouTube without showing your face or also vice. Okay, and also 10,000 and 6,000 case study, and also we have storytelling, marketing, and Pinterest profit also, right? Also, all this bonus bundle, you just need to pay $17. You're getting all this bonus bundle, right? Okay, right, and so this is what you're going to get out of my bonus bundle. So all this bonus bundle are all valuable bonus, and most are the traffic app or traffic secret, and to get you more lead and more sale and more profit using all these bonuses I'm giving to you, right? Okay, so for the price of $17, you're going to get some all the bonus package, which is more than just $17. In fact, these bonuses it cost me close to $9,000 to get all these bonuses for you, right? Okay, so tech fast session today. Click the link below this video. You're going to come to my review page. Just click this orange button will take you to the MailerLink, this sales page and just make a purchase on the MailerLink. You're good to actually on your way to earn this unlimited income. Alright, okay. So you say 1 mil plus, we may earn some more $400. That is possible to achieve, right? Okay, so let me also show to you on this review of this MailerLink, right? This inside here, this is a member area of MailerLink. So on the dashboard, you can see here the dashboard, it will show you the download page, created emails, total campaigns, things like that, right? Okay, and you here you can actually find offer. You can have search which offer is the best offer to convert from JVU via plus deal. Also we have this okay, and ClickBank's deal also. This is get updated. Okay, so this is the best deal, right? Then we have this get big. Okay, get big. This is again this way the magic come from me. You can actually search for the lead. Okay, just enter this. So you can see they can lead auto suggestion. Okay, this is a search result of the lead. Okay, make money online. You can actually get all these lead. Okay, so you can download the lead. You can upload to autoresponder and start building them. We order this you can start sending them email by actually you can log into on the autoresponder, or you can make you on their own autoresponder, the subscriber manager. They come together, right? Okay, so you can search different things. Example, you can search we are lost, right? Okay, let's say you want to build some this here. We are lost, right? Just do an analysis here. Okay, so here you can quickly the best thing about this, I can see this really fast, right? Okay, you can easily search the link, the list, right? Okay, then you can actually have all the list here, right? Okay, this pretty cool thing. Again, there's a page builder here, right? Okay, to create a new, you can create a page builder. There's a template, a preloaded template. You can make you all this template. Okay, once you click inside, okay, choose the template, the design. Okay, if you go to the design mode, you can design your own this page as part of the funnel. Right? Okay, design the page. You can even change the text, the color, everything, the look and feel of the template. Okay, after you change it, you just need to save it as a new page, right? Then you can actually embed also the affiliate link inside based on the best offer here, right? You can actually build your sales page or landing page, right? Using all this template, right? Okay, furthermore, there's a dashboard. Okay, there's a dashboard feature. They actually have this the link you actually build. Okay, so here is create a new page. Here is where you can see all the page here, right? So example, this is a page I have viewed. You can actually download, or you can actually copy the link and you can start sending traffic to the link. Also, example, this one example here, you can actually build easily build a opt-in page like this, right? Okay, it's really nice looking opt-in page using this, right? Right, so this is some of the thing you can have using this template, and furthermore, let's also have a look into this other feature like you have this image creator. They have an image creator function here. You can create a new image here, okay, and you can create a new images here, right? Okay, the design, the canvas, the edit selection, right? And you can also have image gallery. You can actually have all these image. You have actually create a new image here, right? Okay, you can create a new image here, and all the image created will come under the image gallery, right? Okay, there's a subscriber manager. You can actually use it to build your email subscriber list. You can actually build your email subscriber list here, or your contact book. And again, there's another best part of this is email marketing. There's an email autoresponder that come together inside here, whereby you can actually connect to your any other email SMTP, right? Okay, and you can start setting up your email campaigns, email template, email sequencer, or it can be done. Everything is on in one, right? And there's a training here. So before you even start using all the features here, just go to the training and learn every aspect about this app. And also you can have this support. There's also anything any issue you encounter using this MailerLink, you can actually raise a ticket to the support help desk, right? So that's about about the MailerLink. So important thing, right? Okay, to ensure you get all the bonuses here, though I ask you to click the link below this video upon launch, right? Because buy bonuses is only limited for the first 30%, right? Okay, take 5 sessions today, and I'm sure this tool is going to help you to take your online business to the next level. Okay, this is able to get you a lead build. There's a page builder come built in also. There's an email creator. There's a subscriber manager. Even they have email marketing. You don't even have to buy subscriber to the monthly available or get responder. You can actually just get the external SMTP and set up your email marketing, and then you're good to go. So everything is on one platform for you to make money online. Okay. Okay, and also with all my bonuses I have bundled together, definitely this is going to help you to make the best profit out of this MailerLink. Right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.